Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian. In this video, I would like to introduce to you 2 new services I'm now offering. The first, Soul Plan. In this session, your Akashic record reveals to you the plan your soul has for you in this lifetime on how you can best be of service to the world. Receive profound information that only your Akashic record and your support team comprising of your own higher divine self, angels and spirit guides has for you. Furthermore, you will be clearing any blocks to accomplishing your divine life mission and receive all that you need to stay aligned to your mission. The next, I call Healing Body, Mind and Spirit. When you're feeling lost, stuck, unloved, confused, and your own thoughts begin to work against you, you need the support of someone who cares and listens to you. I'll help put things into perspective and share with you what may be causing the current confusion in your life. I will teach you simple, practical tools that you can put into practice immediately to help you find that inner peace and balance you need. I'm here to share, care, teach, and help you come back to your divine self. I view this as an insightful and powerful personal session, and the takeaways for you will have a positive impact on your well-being and consciousness. And now, I share with you another service which is most sought after, the Akashic Record Transformation. In this private session, I work with you and your Akashic Record to resolve any challenging situations in your life. It could be relationships, career and workplace matters, health, and any other aspect of your life. Let your Akashic record reveal to you the areas in your life that need changing and releasing blocks that create limiting patterns. The good news is that this service is currently on offer until middle of April. My plan is to share a video each time I introduce a new service or when I have a sale for any of my services. And similar to my workshops, I create them for the purpose of awakening, healing, and empowering you. Until my next video, I wish you Aloha blessings. Thank you. I love you. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, the new Lemurian.